Good morning children, welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start a chapter 2. Second chapter is Adaptation in Plants. Children, in this lesson we shall study meaning of adaptation. Adaptation in different kinds of plants on land and in water. So, before starting this chapter, I would like to ask you some questions. Where do you live? You will say, ma'am, I live in my home. Or you will say, I live in colony. So, the place where you live, where you have grown, where your home is there, your family is there, that is called your habitat. In the same way of plants and animals. Next is meaning of habitat and adaptation. First is habitat. The place where a plant or animal lives and grows is called its habitat. Children, if the plant is growing in a desert, then its habitat is a desert. So, habitat is nothing but the place where plants or animals live and grow is called their habitat. Another definition is the natural surroundings in which a living thing, animal or a plant lives, feeds and reproduces is called its habitat. Okay, so now you clear what is a habitat. Next is adaptation. Children, adapt means to adjust to their environment. Definition of adaptation is the special features that the plants develop to be able to grow in their habitat is called adaptation. Example, cactus plant. In desert, cactus grow in desert. In desert, shortage of water. They don't have leaves. The plant have special features of desert plant. Another definition of adaptation is the process of developing certain feature to suit one's environment is called adaptation. Based on the habitat, there are two types of plants. First one is terrestrial and then second one is aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants means plants that grow on land. These plants are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in water. These plants are called aquatic plants. Next is adaptation in terrestrial plants. Children, terrestrial means what? I will explain you. Plants that grow on land. See here. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. They get their name from Latin word terra, T-E-R-R-A, terra. Terra meaning land. I once again repeat, plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants grow on different landforms such as mountains and hills, plains, marshy areas, deserts and grasslands. These are types of terrestrial plants. Okay, now we will discuss about these habitats one by one. So, up to here children, we have discussed about first point, Meaning of habitat and adaptation. Second point, types of plants on the basis of habitat. Then third point, what is a terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on a land are called terrestrial plants. I hope you all have understood today's concept. So, in the next video, we will discuss about different types of terrestrial plants. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.